Hello to everyone who likes gardens and walks, and welcome to RHS Wisley Garden, one of the most spectacular gardens in England. Video was shot last day of August, and this is part 2 of our vlog. If you haven't seen part 1, link will be below in the description box. I just remind you what we've seen last time. It was beautiful perennial mixed border and of course amazing dahlias on the trial grounds. And not just dahlias, it was a lot of interesting stuff. So if you haven't seen, don't miss it. After visiting trial grounds, we went to Butleston Hill to enjoy amazing, just amazing hydrangeas. From there, just turn right and we're in the wildlife garden. The white strawberries look very tasty, but it's not for us. Also, I wanted to show you here how to reuse all cuttings, which we have quite a lot in our gardens this time of the year. This type of dividers not just practical and cost you nothing. Of course, some time you need to spend to create it, but it's also very wildlife friendly because a lot of creatures could find home inside this structure. And this is not just that tree, it's also home for another creatures. Here you can see not just sculptural gazebo, it's also full of birds' houses. They're everywhere around. And another structure is the place where lots of different insects could find their home and shelter. A wildlife garden is designed to create a natural, biodiverse environment that attracts and supports a wide range of wildlife, including birds, insects, mammals, amphibians, and pollinators. Inside Hilltop building you could find different facilities, beautiful cafes on the ground floor and on the roof terrace. Also you could get lecture here, some interactive activities, and of course exhibitions of different societies. Today you could just see some work of volunteers, and also you could buy seeds of heritage plants varieties. The orchard at Wisley is not just a place of beauty, but a living repository of history and horticultural knowledge, a perfect blend of cultivation and tranquility. Everything is growing here in organic way. And of course you could ask, what is this thing hanging between fruits? This is traps for insects. Not for all insects, just for the pests. Here, over 700 different varieties of apples thrive, each with their own unique color, shape, and flavor. These flower beds were created recently, just this spring, and to create it was used non-digging method. So the gardener just covered all surface with cardboard, and after that just soil and compost on the top, and look at the result. It's fabulous. And here is the final destination for today's walk, Piet Oudolf Garden. It's beautiful, it's stunning, and it's unbelievable what it was planted just 6 months ago. Enjoy it. Thank you very much for walking with us. I hope you enjoy this walk and this beautiful garden, so please support us with your thumb up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and of course leave your comment. I would like to hear what do you think about this garden and about this walk. Have a nice day and see you soon for another beautiful garden and very exciting walk. Goodbye.